Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys which apps are best for customizing Windows 11 wallpapers. So the best app is, in my opinion, the default app. You can customize the wallpaper very much in this app. You can go to background and select any wallpaper you like, and you can choose any fittings from here, like if the wallpaper will be straight, center or what. And you can do slideshow pictures as well, so it will slideshow pictures in after sometimes from a folder you choose. And you can select on change picture every 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, your wish. Then you can also shuffle the picture order, so it will shuffle between the pictures. And you can also select the fit again. You can choose solid colors as wallpaper too. So in the default app of Windows 11 you can do these many customizations, and you can also choose the color of your UI according to your wallpaper. For that you can automatically choose accent color. So this is a basic customization from Windows 11 wallpaper customization option. So if you want to take it to next level, or so for that you have to download a software from Microsoft Store that is called Lively Wallpaper. So this is the Lively Wallpaper. With it you can choose any video as your wallpaper, and this is not very resource hungry. It takes very little of your CPU and RAM, almost not noticeable. So you can download this software and choose any video as your wallpaper. So if you know how to use this app, then you can check our channel. I already have made a video where I have showed how you can use Lively Wallpaper to select a video or animated wallpaper in your computer. So I think these two apps are the best apps for customizing wallpapers in Windows 11. You can explore your creativity with it. You can choose different wallpapers. You can design your own wallpapers. You can choose select GIFs and also different video from different website as your wallpaper. So that's basically it for today. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.